Good morning again. As you know, we are working on the chapter number system, and in this number system chapter, our next converting work is based on hexadecimal to binary and binary to hexadecimal. Right? In the previous class, we learnt about this how to convert octal number into binary and binary to octal. Right? In this scenario, in this converting process, hexadecimal means there are 16 fundamental values in a hexadecimal number system. It starts from A and ends at capital F. Total 16 fundamental values are there in the hexadecimal number system, whereas in the binary number system only two possibilities are there. The first one is 0. 0 means off. The second one is 1. 1 means on. It is there in binary. Now, our today's concept is how we can convert the hexadecimal number into binary, or how we can produce the binary code of a given hexadecimal value. Right? So, for that, to convert this hexadecimal to binary, we need hexadecimal to binary table. Here, if you can see on the board, if you want to convert hexadecimal to binary, the first point, what is the first point? It is take help from hexa to binary table. Now the another table that is related with hexa to binary, hexadecimal to binary, and if you want to convert binary to hexadecimal, again you should take help from the hexadecimal to binary table to find out the proper binary code of each and every hexadecimal value. Now come here, come on this portion of the board. Here we know that the hexadecimal value starts from 0 and ends at F. So in this portion I wrote all the hexadecimal values 0 to 7, then 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E, F. Clear? Now we are going to find out what is the proper binary code of these hexadecimal values. Now, if you want to learn the table, just understand a very basic, very common formula. From 0 to 7, very first thing, the hexadecimal table, it belongs to 4-digit binary code. If you remember the octal table, the octal to binary table related with 3-digit binary codes. Here in this table, we are going to apply the binary code in 4 digits. Clear? Now, how to learn the table, or how you can create the table easily? 0 to 7 and then 8 to F. Clear? Now, 0 to 7, very first, just put 0, 0, 0 to the very first position. It starts from 0 to 7. Clear? Now, come here. From 8 to F, you have to put 1 in the starting position. 1, 1, 1, 1. Just see it carefully. Right? 0, 0, 0, 0. At the very first position, we know we are going to produce 4-digit binary code. Out of these 4 digits, the very first position, from 0 to 7, it is 0. From 8 to F, it is 1. Clear? Now, again, to how many these digits? 0 to 7 total 8 digits are there. So now out of these 8, just divide this 8 by 2. 4 are there in a different line, 4 are there in a different line. So very first 4 value, put 0, 0, 0, 0. Next 4 value, put 1, 1, 1, 1. Clear? The same process we can follow in this portion also. 8 to F, first 4 values 0, 0, 0, 0, rest 4 values 1, 1, 1, 1. Clear? Now 2 points are remaining, and in the octal table, if you remember the thing, binary code starts from 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. It is a sequence of a binary code. Now just put 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Again repeat 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Repeat 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Then 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. The very easy process. By this, you can create hexadecimal to binary table in minutes. Right? Now the table is ready, and if you want to know how this particular binary code of A it is produced, the binary code of A is 1010. कोई बोले कैसे आया है? How we can develop this code? So A means what? 9 के बाद अगला क्या आता है? In the decimal number system, if you move forward to after 9, it is 10, right? A stands for 10. Now just see, 10 is a decimal number, and you want to convert it into binary. The process is just write 10 over here inside these two vertical lines and divide this 10 by 2, right? Here it is 5, remainder is 0. Then again divide it by 2. 2 2 ja 4, remainder is 1. Again divided by 2. Remainder is 0, result is 1. Now just take this result and cover this one. So it is 1010. It is the binary code of 10. 10 means A. So here the binary code of A, it is 1010. By this you can develop, you can understand the concept that how we can produce the binary code, right? So it is the hexadecimal to binary table. You have to write this table in your notebook also, so that you can find the answer easily, right? Now come towards the methodology, come towards the process. Hexadecimal to binary, what is the process to convert it, right? If you find the hexadecimal value, what is the hexadecimal value? Suppose A75.5B, it is a hexadecimal number, hexadecimal value, and you have to convert this hexadecimal value into binary. So the concept is this one, hexadecimal to binary. Now just read out the step by which you can convert this hexadecimal value. Very first step, take help from hexadecimal to binary table. Table is there. The second step, find the binary code of each and every digit. What is the meaning of this point? Find the binary code of each and every digit. Digit means here, if you can see the hexadecimal value A75.5B. Find the binary code of each and every digit means I have to find the binary code of A, I have to find the binary code of 7, then binary code of 5, then B. Like this one. It is the second point. Find the binary code of each and every value. Now come towards the third point. Arrange all the binary codes in a line and group them. Clear? If we are going to take the same example, A75.5B, it is a hexadecimal value, and how we can convert this value into binary? Just take this one, A75.5B, write the digit 16. Now we are going to convert it into binary. Now just take the help of the table. The binary code of A, it is 1010. So very first I am going to write the binary code 1010. This is the code of A. Just after this, I have to write the binary code of 7. What is the binary code of 7? It is 0111. Now just after this, I am going to write 0111. Right? It is the binary code of A. It is the binary code of 7. Now the binary code of 5. It is 0101. Just after these two binary codes. Clear? Now put one dot. Here we just write the binary code of 5. It is 0101. Then the binary code of B. It is 1011. This is the binary number. This is the result of this question. Clear? Now just look this table again. In this table you should remember the binary code of 4 always, then the binary code of 7, binary code of A, and the binary code of C. These 4 codes should be there in your mind always. Binary code of 4, it is 0100. Binary code of 7, 0111. 8, 1000. Then binary code of A, it is 1010. Then C, it is 1100. And at the last, F, it is 4 times 1. Clear? So, by this process, we can convert a hexadecimal number to binary. Just take one more example. The next example. Now, if I want to convert a hexadecimal number like this, 74AB.DE. It is a hexadecimal number and we are going to convert it into binary, right? So 7, the binary code of 7 according to the table, 01111, it is the code of 7. Now the binary code of 4 means it is 000. Binary code of A, it is 1010. Binary code of B, it is 1011. Then dot is here, right? The binary code of D stands for 1101. So 1101 it is here. Then the last one, binary code of E, 1110. 1110. It is the answer. Right? When you write the answer, just remove these dash symbol and arrange these digits with each other. Remove the gap in between these digits. Clear? Very simple process. Now, the next process is how we can convert a binary digit into its hexadecimal equivalent. This is the second portion. Just check it out. Binary to hexadecimal, if you see some binary codes are there in the question paper and the question is related with convert this binary code into hexadecimal. What is the process? In binary to octal, if you remember, we create 3 binary digits in a single group, right? Now in the binary to hexadecimal, the hexadecimal table belongs to 4-digit binary code. तो क्या करते हैं अभी अपन? Arrange 4 binary digits in a single group. The first point. So suppose the question is this one 10111 01.10110. It is a binary value and we have to convert it into hexadecimal. Right? First step. Arrange 4 binary digits in a group. Now here it is a fractional digit. Fractional means a decimal point is there. Just hold the decimal and when you are going to create the group, you should follow this direction. Just see the direction while creating the group. Hold the decimal point and the digits that are there before the decimal, then when you are going to create the group, you should move towards this direction, towards right to left. And the digits that are there after the decimal point, you have to move left to right. Clear all? Right. So here, the decimal point is this one. Now I am going to create the group. Start from here. It is the first group of 4 digits. Right. Now it is the second group of 3 digits only. 1 digit is remaining. Just put 0 from your side over here. Clear? So first group, second group. Now after the point 1011, it is the first group. Then 0, only 1 digit. अपने को करना क्या है? 4 डिजिट का ग्रुप बनाना है. पीछे की 3 जीरो आप अपनी तरफ से पुट कर दो. यहाँ पे अभी आपको क्या करना है? 1 2 3. Now it is converted into 4 digits. Clear? You can put 0 at the beginning of the digit and if you can find a fractional part, you can put 0 from your side at the end of the digit also. Right? So here, now the digit is this one, 1101. It is the binary code of which hexadecimal value? 1101. Just see, what is this? D. So here, the result is D. 101, it is the binary code of 5. Just write 5 over here, then dot. 1011. The binary code of A is 1010. 1011, it is the binary code of B. So here you just put B. Then 000, it is the binary code of 0. Now the overall result is 5D point B raised to 16. It is the result, it is the answer. Very simple process. Now just take one more example. So in this converting, very first we arrange 4 binary digits in a group. Second point, find the hexadecimal code of each and every group from the hexadecimal to binary table. Clear? Now the last one, line up all the binary code, all the hexadecimal digits in a single line. Clear? Just take one more example. If you find the value 10110111, now it is the whole number, no fractional part. Now if you are going to convert this into binary, no fractional point, no decimal point, so start the group creation from the very rightmost part. It is the very first group, it is the second group, right? 4 digits are there in the first group, 4 digits are there in the second group. Now 0111, it is the binary code of 7. 0111. Next one is 1011. 1011, it is the binary code of B. So here I just put B. Now my result is B7 raised to 16. Oh, it is a mistake. It is not 16, it is binary. And here it is 16, right? So B7, it is the answer. Clear? Now the next thing is, if somebody says that just convert hexadecimal number into octal, right? Hexadecimal into octal. What you can do? Hexadecimal to octal means what? Here, just remember, there is no direct converting process. There is no direct conversion is there if you convert hexadecimal to octal. So very first I write the code hexadecimal to octal, right? For this, we follow the method. Very first, we convert the hexadecimal number system's value into its binary equivalent. Right? Now the second process, convert the resulting binary value into octal. This is the process. If you want to convert hexadecimal to octal, just take one example. Suppose the hexadecimal digit 7A3.56. It is a hexadecimal number and we have to convert it into octal. No direct converting process is there in the syllabus. So very first, we convert this hexadecimal into binary. How we can convert? The binary code of 7, it is 0111. Binary code of 8, it is 1010. Binary code of 3, it is 0011. So here 7A3, the binary code of 7A3, it is there. Now dot, after dot 56, binary code of 5, it is 0101, and the binary code of 6, it is 0110. So by this, very first we convert this hexadecimal number into binary. Clear? Now this binary number should further be converted into octal, and in the octal number we are going to create groups of 3 binary digits. Remember? So here the very first group, this one, the second group, this one, the third group, this one, and the fourth group, this one. Now from the fractional part, it is the first group, it is the second group, and 10. Only 2 digits are there. Just put 0 from your side and it is the third group. Clear? Now 011, it is the binary code of 3. 110, 6, 100, 4, 011, 3, 0.010, it is 2, 101, it is 5, and 100, it is 4. Here it is the octal number. Clear? It is the octal number. So hexadecimal digit, very first it is converted into binary. Then in this binary value we are going to create a group of 3 digits because we are going to convert it into octal. 3 digit group and the corresponding octal value. Clear? So by this we can convert hexadecimal to octal. Now if the question is related with octal to hexadecimal, then what you can do? Octal to hexadecimal number system. Same process. The first one, convert the octal number into binary. Clear? here the same process. Here we are converted this hexadecimal number into binary. Now the question is related with octal to hexadecimal. So convert the octal number into binary. It is the very first process. Then the second process. Now the binary value, it is further converted into hexadecimal. Clear? Thank you very much.